Should be on now. Hey dude, you ready? Okay, come here. Oh, where's the cruiser? He's got it. I got him. Get on, dude. Taurus! You ready? Here, get him a little bit more situated for me. What are you doing? Out of the way, booger machine. Hold on, Coof. I got him. Here we go. Here we go. Oh no! Oh no! Taurus! Move, dude! Move, you weirdo! Whoa! Whoa! We did it, dude! We did it! And Cecil chased us all the way down the hill. What a weirdo! What a weirdo! You did it! You what?